So here is underneath the finished product of the bus bar install. I have over on the left side the power still hooked up to the quick disconnect. I utilized a old battery terminal that I had to add on to the quick disconnect and send power to the bus bar. And then I have my other two harnesses with the power coming in on the left side there, and then their negatives going on the right side. We are inching closer and closer to the end of this project. It's not going to be anytime soon, but we're getting a lot of the major hurdles out of the way. Everything else is just going to be finalizing everything and making it as particular as I want to. So thank you for making it this far. Make sure to like and subscribe to New Yankee Auto System, and also follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/New Yankee Auto. Appreciate all the shares and likes and comments that we get. Till next time, when we're always doing something.